Billionaires could end wars tomorrow, so why don't they? Seriously, you lot have enough cash to buy small nations. What's the holdup? Oh, we could. We just choose not to. Excuse me? Think about it. Wars don't run on good intentions. They run on hardware. A single assault rifle costs upwards of 18 grand. Where do you think that comes from? The military. Sure, but who supplies the military? They manufacture it themselves? God, no. They don't have the bandwidth for that. It comes from private defense contractors, basically middlemen in suits. They source weapons from the manufacturers, then flip them to the government at a premium. Think of them as arms dealers, but with a LinkedIn profile. Okay, so what does that have to do with you? We hold stock in those manufacturers. So when a conflict breaks out, demand spikes, production ramps up, and our portfolios quietly celebrate. How much are we actually talking? Last cycle, closer to $500 million, and that's before you factor in the aerospace side. Fighter jets, attack helicopters, armored vehicles. The whole defense sector sits around $500 billion. So you're not just indifferent to wars, you benefit from them. We don't exactly lose sleep over them, no, which means some of you might even have a reason to encourage them? I'd love to finish that thought, but our legal team is giving me a look right now. Yeah, probably smart.